Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clickstel for Education. PPC marketing for students. When it comes to PPC for schools, millennials are less receptive to traditional marketing strategies and are more likely to conduct extensive research across several channels. Millennials prefer YouTube videos to textual content when they need to learn something new. They're also regular Instagram users. That's why it's worth trying with Instagram and YouTube paid social marketing. You might also consider collaborating with well-known, high-quality accounts and platforms where millennial parents can learn more about your institution. How does Clickstel stop invalid click activity? Clickstel analyzes every click, detects click fraud activity, and instantly prevents fraudsters from seeing your Google Ads campaigns. Immediately improves ROI and marketing performance. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clickstel provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clickstel and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.